About to replace this motherfucker, man. Motherfucker leaking that shit. Old one right here. Start cutting on that bitch. Gotta take this piece off. Hold on. You gotta take this piece off right here. But on these factory ones, they is mounted with these plastic clamps, so best bet is get you one of these, man. Cut on it if you want to save your hoses. If not, you're gonna have to replace the whole thing with the hoses. But better coming out this route is better, a little middle compared to the plastic. Yo, I'll be back with y'all when it's installed though.